Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jade and thank you so much for joining me today. Now apologies, I'm in a sports bra because I just finished an at-home workout. In alignment with my goals that I have set for myself in 2024, I wanted to get back into some sort of weight training. So today's video, we are going to be diving into some of the benefits that I have learned about weight training and what my experience has been so far. Just want to remind you, it's only been roughly around about my first week back into the gym using the weight machines and dumbbells, kettlebells, all of that sort of stuff. So please stick around and let's get into the video. Also wanted to say a huge thank you to every single one of you guys who has been supporting me, reaching out to me. You have kept me so motivated. You've kept me showing up for myself, and it's such a pleasure to be doing these videos. I can't believe that just a couple months ago I had no self-confidence. I was so embarrassed, so self-conscious of myself and working out, and just can't believe where I'm at today. Alright guys, so Monday hit and we did an at-home workout. I am going to be getting into the gym, so don't worry, but I think it's realistic to show what I actually get up to. To begin, I did a walking workout just to get the body warmed up, and then you'll see Dylan, he comes in a little bit later, and then we actually do a Caroline Girvan kettlebell HIIT workout. And let me tell you, that HIIT workout is no joke. It gets your heart pumping, you are pouring sweat by the end of the 15 minutes. It's actually unbelievable. I really like using kettlebells to work out. I think they're really practical, they're easy to handle, and for some reason, I don't know why, it just seems to work well with my body when I'm doing the movements. But make sure you warm up, okay, before you start doing kettlebells, because they can be a little bit hectic, and we don't want to cause any injuries around here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jade, and basically, towards the end of last year, I went through a transformation journey where one day I woke up and said enough is enough and I need to change. That journey has led me here, an aspiring PT, and I'm incredibly passionate about health and fitness now. I'm super excited about the direction my life is going in, and I'm here to document it along the way. Alright, it's time. Let's start talking about the benefits that I have learned along the way through my study and through my week of switching over my training styles. I want you to remember that effectiveness of weight training, it depends on factors like frequency, intensity, duration, and of course, proper form. Guys, it's really important to listen to your body because you really don't want to have any injuries that will sit you out. Benefit number one, of course, is muscle strength and tone. There are different types of weight training. The training that I'm doing at the moment is muscle hypertrophy. This weight training induces muscle hypertrophy, so the increase in the muscle size by causing microscopic damage to muscle fibers during exercises. The body repairs and rebuilds these fibers, leading to increased muscle mass and strength. Weight training also helps to reduce the body fat while increasing muscle mass. This contributes to a more defined and sculpt appearance, commonly referred to as muscle tone. And guys, this is definitely what I am aiming for. Benefit number two is your bone health, so increasing the bone density. Weight-bearing exercises stimulates bone cells, leading to an increase in bone density. This is crucial for preventing osteoporosis. Now, this is a condition usually characterized by weakened and brittle bones. Benefit number three is metabolism boost. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it requires more energy at rest compared to fat tissue. By increasing muscle mass through weight training, you raise your resting metabolic rate, which is usually the acronym RMR if you ever see it, and that contributing to more calories burned even when it's not exercising. Also, just a reminder, I still have goals for 2024, and one of them is to improve my mobility. So you can see I'm doing some of my mobility exercises, and I literally just searched this up on YouTube, and it's around about 15 minutes, this specific routine. Otherwise, there's ones for 5 minutes, 25, 30, whatever works with your schedule. And I have to say, I think it's actually working. I really don't feel as stiff towards like my lower back and definitely my hip flexor, as well as I've been working out and all of that jazz as well. And of course, Ollie has to make an appearance as well. It is not one of my videos if Ollie isn't there. Oh, and guys, this week I have sort of fallen off on the food train a little bit. I did opt for some frozen options. I really felt like noodles one day, as you can see. So I splurged and I definitely bought them, and I don't say I regret it, guys. I'm trying to eat as clean as I can, but at the same time, I need to acknowledge that sometimes I just want something different. I want a snack. I want something that, is really indulgent to me. And noodles, oh my God, I absolutely love them. All right, let's get back into it. So, the next benefit we're talking about is improved posture, and this is one that is actually a priority for me. Something I've discussed in previous videos is that I know that my core strength really needs work, and weight training exercise often engages your core muscles, including the abdomen, your lower back, and especially your pelvis. So, strengthening these muscles provides better support to the spine, promoting proper alignment and reducing the risk of poor posture related issues. Quick pause in the benefits, guys. Oh my god, I hate lunges. I absolutely cannot stand them, but we all know they are really beneficial, so you've got to do them. But oh my god, I don't know why I really struggle with them, and I think it's because I have such long shins. It's so bizarre, but I have really, really long shins, and so sometimes I really need to assess like my footing, my form, everything like that. So really bizarre, but true. Something that I really wanted to point out in today's video is that I'm actually trying to do a step up. Now, this actually was not working for me because I noticed that I didn't have enough mobility, strength, I didn't have the functional, I guess, movement down. So what I did was I tried a different method. So I went and I got a small kettlebell because I noticed that I was really using my hand to pull up here. You're going to see it. Yep, there it is. This movement is meant to be a slow rise and a slow fall when you're doing this. I knew I wasn't capable of doing this movement, so instead I just pivoted, and I included this in today's video because it's really important to put forth, guys. If you need to change movements, it's totally fine to do that. As long as you give whatever you want a go, that's all that you can really hope for. What's good about trying exercises is that if it doesn't work, you realize that, okay, maybe this is something that I really need to work on. I need to learn the movements. I need to learn the progression, how to get there, things like that. So it actually could highlight a future goal of yours. All right, let's get back into the benefits. The next benefit that I want to talk about is increased energy levels. So what I have discovered and what I've learned is that weight training promotes the creation of new mitochondria. So this is the energy producing structures within your cells, enhancing the efficiency of energy production. Hey guys, sorry for the messy hair. I just sort of left it as I woke up. Today is the day after the gluten hamstring workout that you just saw me do, and oh my god, my lower body is so sore. I forgot what it's like, honestly, and I think that's a huge indication that I actually need to eat more protein. So this morning so far, I make my oats. So what I do is I literally get like the oats sachet packets, like the quick oats. I have protein water, like protein powder, and what I do is I sprinkle it in that, microwave it, blah blah, put cinnamon, put honey, and then I eat that while I have my coffee. And then also what I've done is I have made a protein drink. Oh, still have to shake it up. But yes, I'm going to be focusing on my protein intake because I definitely have let my eating slide a little bit and it has not been one of my priorities. So definitely going to focus more on that. And my plan says that I'm meant to be doing around about like 20-25 minutes of cardio, but on a Stairmaster. And because of how sore I am, I actually genuinely think I'm going to struggle to do that, and I don't want to push myself too far. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm actually going to do a walking workout from home, because that will actually help with the muscle soreness as well, getting circulation to the muscles. So I'm going to do that instead. So I'm still doing something, but not to the intensity level that my plan is saying to do. And there's nothing wrong with making sure that you gradually get to a place where you can exercise consecutively and your eating is okay and things like that. So yeah, that's my update. Pushing past muscle soreness is one of those obstacles that is just so difficult, but I do have a muscle machine gun, so that always comes in handy. I usually always do this as well after a workout, but definitely when my muscles are a little bit sore, like the next day and things like that, I find that it really does help a lot. So what do we do when our legs are sore? We go back into the gym and we start working our upper body. I really can't say this enough, but make sure you warm up. It's okay to take a little bit longer in a warm up than to be extremely sore a little bit later. Or worse, cause yourself a huge injury. One of my favorite benefits is actually the cardiovascular health. So a fantastic thing about weight training is when it's done with proper intensity and technique, it places demand on the cardiovascular system, and this leads to increased heart strength and endurance. Also, weightlifting and weight training, when you do it regularly, it has been associated with reductions in your blood pressure, contributing to improved cardiovascular health. And I think we can all improve our cardio. Oh, and this move right here, lateral raises, oh my gosh, do they hurt? But they really do sculpt the shoulders, so you know we've got to do them. Also, I want to hear from you guys. Do you prefer working out lower body, upper body, or full body? What is your preference? Let me know in the comments below, okay? I want to know. Leading into the next benefit, and it's my ultimate favorite benefit of exercise, and that is better sleep. Sleep is key to so many different aspects of your life, but it's really important to get your rest in, because when you are resting, this is when the miracles are happening to your body. Of course, this might be very obvious, but as I said in my earlier videos, I'm going to be sharing everything, even if it is the most basic information, because we all started somewhere, and so sharing information is key. But when you are exercising, and this includes lifting weights or weight training, this can help reduce your stress hormones, and it promotes the release of your endorphins. This contributes to a more relaxed state, conducive to a better sleep. That blue item that I was just holding, it's actually a neck stretcher. I got it from Kmart for like $5, and hey, I thought I would give it a go. It looks like an alien artifact. While I was at Kmart, I saw that they actually had the pad for the barbell, so when I do hip thrusts, or if I need to do lunges again, I can put a pad there to protect, like, you know, my bones, my joints, my muscles and stuff like that. Sometimes I really can't believe that I've turned into a gym girl. It is so surreal, but it is such a dream come true. Oh, and I should mention that I am back at my other gym that is Super Luxe with Dylan today, so it's great that we're going to be doing our upper body workout together. I absolutely love working out with Dylan on the weekends at this gym, because I get to ask him about how my form is looking, if it's looking correct. He's there to help me film, and he's just so supportive. I absolutely love working out with him. Also, the very next day, I forgot to film my lower body workout again. I'm so sorry, guys. I just completely blanked. I completely forgot. I got into the zone and just headed to the gym and just literally got it done. I'm so sorry. So here we are, we're going to be focusing on our upper body, mainly our shoulders, back, things like that. But the biggest benefit that I have noticed since working out, and especially since starting this whole entire journey last year, my absolute top benefit has been improvements to my mental health and also my mood. Being grateful for my body, getting it moving, and just feeling so proud of myself has done absolute wonders. It's always really easy to forget about the mental health or the mood enhancement aspects of things, because you're so focused on your physical health, your physical appearance, and how you look, that eventually one day you wake up and you realize, oh my god, this is definitely more of a mental game more than anything. And for me, it's sort of like the physical aspects are now an amazing byproduct bonus to how I'm feeling inside. I really do find it interesting how your motivations and your goals, how they originally start and how they absolutely transform with time. I'm so grateful to have started this journey, to have started actually working out. And you know what? I didn't know where to start. Just one day I literally was like, I've had enough. I just need to do something. And you find your way. Prioritizing your mental health and physical health is something that you will never ever regret. I have learned it's one of the best investments that you will ever make. And if you're on a similar journey to me, I hope that you feel that way too. That wraps up today's video. So I want to hear from you. I want to know about some tips and tricks that you've used before when getting back into your weight training schedule. Or even if you're keen to try it, leave me a comment below. As per always, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care of yourselves, and remember, I believe in you and we can totally do this together. Bye guys.